You are going to be practicing counting bills and coins, as well as how you would read the amounts and write them. When you write the amount of money, you need to remember that you count back 2 numbers and put a decimal point. The number before the decimal point shows the number of dollars. If you look at this example down below, the number 15 is before the decimal point. So that means you have $15. The number after the decimal point shows the number of cents. If you look after the decimal point in this example, you have the numbers 06, which means you have 6 cents. The word "and" stands for the decimal point when you write it out as we would read it. So for example, this amount, we would read it $15 and, for the decimal point, 6 cents. Now you are going to practice reading dollar amounts and then typing how you would read it. We'll do a couple together. Let's look at this second amount right here. Say that amount to yourself. If you said $10 and, for the decimal point, 90 cents, you are correct. Here is how we would type it. $10 and, for the decimal point, 90 cents. Let's look at another example. This one right here. Say this amount to yourself. If you said $18 and 26 cents, you are correct. And here is how we would write it. I forgot the N. $18 and 26 cents. If you need to, pause the video so you can enter these amounts onto your Google Slides. We will do another example together, the very last one. This amount right here, say that amount to yourself. If you said $23 and 50 cents, you are correct. And here's how you would type it. $23 and 50 cents. Pause the video so you can type this amount in. Okay, we will do one more together and then you will have one to do on your own. Look at this amount right here. Say the amount. If you said $8.45, you are correct. Here is how you would type it. $8.45. All right, now go ahead. Do this last one on your own. Do the best you can with spelling the words. Here, you're going to practice saying the name of the coin and the coin's value, how much the coin is worth, its amount. The first one has been done for you. If you look at the coin, you see that it is a $50 and it is worth 50 cents. You now need to look at the other coins, type the name of the coin, and then how much they are worth. If you need to, go back to the assignment that you did in Math Intervention on coins and amounts, and that can help you. Also, you can use your resource folder. In this bottom problem here, you are going to count up all the bills and coins and write the amount in this space here. Then you are going to type out how you would read that amount, like we did in the earlier slide. We will do this one together. So if we look at our bills, we have 1, 2, 3 $1 bills. So we put our $ and put a 3 because that's our bill amount, and then put a decimal point. Now, if we add up our coins, we have 2 quarters, which 2 quarters are 50 cents, and then we have 3 dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. So if we count by tens, we have 50, then 60, 70, 80, and we have 1 penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. So then we add 1 to 80 to get 81 cents. And then how we would type this is $3.81. Pause the video so that you can type this into your Google slide. You have 2 more problems to do, just like the one we did together, where you have to add up the bill and coin amounts, write the amount, and then type how you would read it. At the bottom of the slide, you are going to practice subtracting with regrouping. Don't forget, if the number on top is smaller than the number on the bottom, you're going to need to go next door to your neighbor to borrow. When you are finished, make sure to turn in to your teacher.